We are currently in the Personal Report page within the Manage Tests tab. A personal report contains information about the test and the candidate's success on it. The Summary page is the main page that appears at the beginning of the report. It summarizes essential information such as the name of the test that the user has completed, the name of the candidate who took the test, the time when the user started and completed the test, the total time the user spent doing the test, the number of points or percentage that must be achieved in order to be successful in the test, the number of points and the score the user earned or percentage of the test he completed successfully, the result status of this test. Here is the list of user groups in which candidate is added as a member. The report completion summary presents the structured list of requirements for completing the report. This option is used to export different variants of the personal report. This option allows you to hide or show the report and grade to the candidate. This option enables you to verify or unverify a test attempt. When the report verification is set to verify, changing the grading setting will not affect the candidate's score. The verification date will be displayed once the test manager verifies the attempt. If the report verification is set to unverify, changing the grading setting will impact the candidate's score. The certificate is available for download by clicking this button if the user successfully passes the test in their personal report. You can also share the certificate by clicking this button. The table shows the validity start and end dates for the previously and newly achieved certificates. The dates for the new certificate can be edited by selecting this icon. Here is where you can see modification details. The details about allowed attempt modification. You can see the date when the modification was allowed and the date when it was completed. And below that is the feedback the instructor, administrator, etc. gave to the candidate doing the modifications. Let's navigate to the Student Notes page. All the notes the candidate took during the test taking can be reviewed here. Preview the note by clicking on the arrow option. If proctoring was enabled, you will be able to see the proctor's report in this tab. By clicking this icon, you can view the candidate's recording and rate them there. You can also see the start and end date, proctor's grade, which can be positive or negative or not rated at all, the rate percentage, and the proctor's comment. In the aggregated reports, you will see a table that displays a list of test sections and question pools if there were any. In this test, there were no pools or sections, thus they won't appear here. By clicking on this button, you can see the question details and grade the questions. If notes were left by the student, they will be visible by clicking this button. When you open the panel with information related to a specific question, you will be able to see the question text and the answer the user provided. You can also grade the question and give you feedback by selecting this option to enter your feedback in the text field. Enter the appropriate number of points in this field. Click here to submit the grade and feedback for the question. Use this option to grade essay question answers with our advanced AI technology. You can correct the number of points by AI if you're not satisfied, and then submit the feedback. Let's navigate to the Special Requests page. This tab shows special requests for the selected candidate. Special requests allow test managers to request for additional information and documents from the candidate after the test is finished. Let's navigate to the Charts page. This tab shows charts generated for the selected candidate's attempt. Charts are created in the personal report settings. The information on this page includes the name of the generated chart. The descriptive text is associated with the chart. A table displaying all chart categories along with their names and descriptions. When the grading reports are enabled, a table with all the grader reports will be displayed in the personal report. In this section, you can view the list of reports and the usernames of graders assigned to the current attempt and their statuses. Open the report page by selecting this option. To individually assign graders, select this button. To automatically assign all the graders you've previously added to this exam, click this button. For further information or assistance, please refer to the Help section or watch our instructional videos in the application's top right corner.